I had a plan of becoming a doctor. That's what Apostle Batamze was talking about. I had a whole plan that I'm going to be a doctor, I'm going to study medicine, this is what I'm going to do. When I was going to university, I applied to study medicine. When I went in the first year, I began to know that God was changing the plan for my life. I saw an image of two roads separating. One road was a wide road, a big road. Another road was a small road, like just a path. And when you have walked with God for some time, you can know when He's with you or when He's not with you. So I could see in my heart, in my spirit, I could feel that this plan of being a doctor, God is not with me in it. And I couldn't understand, why doesn't God want me to do this? I thought this is a good thing. One day I was in my second year, going to start my second year. I went for a retreat somewhere with some friends. We went out of the city. And I woke up in the morning to pray. Because I felt this struggle in my spirit. I went to sit near, there was a lake. I went to sit by the lake. And I started to pray. I felt the presence of God come. And the voice, that voice which I knew so well, he said, "You're not going to be a doctor." And when I heard that voice, I felt like someone had kicked me in my stomach. I said, "But God, that's my plan. That's what I want to do. That has been my plan since I was a child." And the Lord said, "I have a different plan for you." And He said, "You can follow your plan, or you can follow my plan." But I said, "But if I follow my plan, will you still be with me?" And He said, "I will still be your God, but you would have missed your purpose." So I cried. I could feel that something is dying, something is dying. But I said, "Lord, I'll follow your plan." But I said, "If it's you who's talking to me, when I speak to my parents, when I tell them that I'm changing my course, they will understand, and give me their blessing." So time passed, I came back home, I shared it with my parents. And I told them, I think God has a different plan. This is not the plan that God has for me. And they asked me questions about why are you changing and this and that. Finally, when I answered their questions, they said, you go ahead and do what God has told you to do. I went, I changed my major. I studied political science. That's what the Lord had directed me to do. And I continued and I finished school. I graduated. I came back home. I met a very handsome young man, and we decided to get married. We got married. We started our life, and I now knew that my life is going in a straight line. We started our business. We had our first children.